A quick look at ZCASH again today. Look at this, guys. We can see ZCASH is sitting at $637. It's down 1% on the 24 hours, and it's still up massively on its 1 month period. I want to quickly check out the ZCASH ecosystem here, guys, and the price analysis. What's going on with ZCASH? What might happen next with ZCASH? Because this thing is just pivoting. It is absolutely rotating. Even with Bitcoin dropping and Ethereum, ZCASH is holding the line really nice. It's resilient. It's not that volatile right now, and overall is looking pretty decent. So yeah, fantastic stuff at the moment here, guys. $637, $10.4 billion market cap. And can I just say, shout out to the traders. Look at Harry up there, massive long position. Rubius, another one. Also this guy here, I don't know what his name is, but we've got a letter S. Yeah, you guys are doing great. Traders in the group down below. And if you want to hang out on a free Discord, please do join it down below. Now, fear and greed index in the market, we have, look at that, some of the lowest levels of extreme fear we've had in a very, very long time. 11 on this indicator, 11 on the fear and greed index. Now, that's something that very rarely happens. And usually this is a great time, you know, not financial advice, but this is where a lot of contrarian investors and smart monies do buy into those coins that are looking overbought on the RSI and just generally, you know, fundamentally backed tokens that have basically lost a bit of value. But yeah, you know, who knows? So it's really holding well. You can see here, tweet from Zashi yesterday, swap to and from shielded ZCASH. Private swaps now in Zashi. It says here, private Zashi swaps let you go from any near supported asset, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoin, directly into shielded ZCASH in one step. Welcome to the strongest privacy layer in the industry. Shield your crypto today. So yeah, Zashi is absolutely huge over here, guys. This is the ZCASH powered mobile wallet, by the way, built for private payments by the privacy obsessed electric coin co-developers of the ZCASH protocol. So that is their official application right there. Now let's delve into the price analysis. Can I just say, if you haven't already, like the video, comment down below something meaningful or not or anything, and just subscribe. It really, really does help. So we can see last few hours here for ZCASH. Wonderful green candle here on the 4-hour time frame. We've seen some very good movement on the 4 hours. $544, up 17%. Look at the level of buying pressure around this $551 region. We're just literally right in the middle of bear and bull right now. Because we've had this great buyback here and this great level of support and accumulation, there's actually a good chance that we could see continuation to the upside. We could potentially see ZCASH now target the 1.272 Fibonacci, which would take this coin higher. It would take it higher, guys. And if it did potentially happen, not financial advice, we're looking at around $793 on the technical analysis side of things. Of course, that's assuming that the market remains a little bit stable. ZCASH continues to rally in a nice formation, and we continue to get a bit of sustenance with the pump that we're seeing right here. But overall, really, really nice to see it holding how well it is holding right here. You can see just hovering between $734 and, of course, $546. A lot of volatility, I must say, actually, when you look at the spread itself from 742 down, it did come back down 26%, which is actually a typical kind of altcoin / Bitcoin, Ethereum, sort of Solana large cap correction. So it is a healthy correction, in my honest opinion. The movement to the downside that we've literally just seen here, in my opinion, it's nothing too crazy. We had more movement right here before, and we still recovered really nicely. So it's now all about avoiding the formation of a double top, and that could potentially happen if we do crash back down. But right now we haven't. If it does crash, then we could have a bearish double top formation where it comes down here. We create the M pattern, you know, like an M shape over here, and that M shape would effectively be bearish. And that's what we don't want, is an M shape like this. If we create that M, then there's a possibility that we drop down lower, but I really don't think, you know, we're going to get that at the moment. Hopefully it's going to be continuation from here. It's very hard to say, of course, but it could happen. If you are looking to get some ZCASH, by the way, whether you're doing whatever you want to do with it, you can check out the MEXC exchange down below. You can see they've got ZCASH here listed. If you type in ZEC, you can see you got on the spot side and all those, also the future side as well, ladies and gentlemen. So it's down below. Check it out, and you might get some wonderful sign-up bonuses when using the link. This is, of course, MEXC, one of the greatest, in my honest opinion, exchanges out there for doing all things blockchain, crypto, and whatever you're doing. You know, you've got massive liquidity, massive security, and it's a real OG out there in the crypto space. Also want to touch on Bitcoin as well in this video, but very quickly, if you are looking to get some private education, resources, and knowledge, check out the Patreon down below. You can see here we've got the Crypto Warrior, we've got the Crypto Champion, as well as the Crypto Legend package here. So we've got a few different opportunities for you, ladies and gents, if you want to really, sort of hone into your crypto journey. You can see here you're going to get early access to ICOs, stealth launches, you're going to get leverage signals, spot signals, you're going to get ultra early alphas, you're going to get a bunch of cool stuff which will help you grow in this particular market right now. So if you're interested, the link is down below to that Patreon as well for you guys. Quickly touching on Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains below its 50-week moving average. And I personally think, there's a good chance that when Bitcoin does come down further, a real interesting area for accumulation will be that 76K region. Of course, it's nowhere near the 200-week moving average. But it's an area that, I'm looking at. It's somewhere between bull and bear, and it could be an area for accumulation if it does come back down lower. $77,000 is somewhere I'm really keeping my eyes on. It's definitely hard to say what's going to happen right now for Bitcoin. You can see it, of course, has lost quite the channel. The bullish channel has been lost, and that 50-week moving average has been lost for the first time since a long time. August 2024 was the last time that had happened. So there's a good chance, unless we do break out to the upside and go back to $103,000 very soon, there's a good chance that the next week could also be a red week for Bitcoin as well in the blockchain space. So definitely trade carefully, definitely tread carefully. Don't do anything too irrational right now, and we'll just see what's gonna happen, to be honest. So yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. ZCASH, $635. Looking nice. Hopefully we can see $700 in the next few days, but you tell me down below, what do you think is going to happen? We've got a lot of fear in the market. Who knows? Have a wonderful day, guys. Like the video, hit the notification bell, and just check out some of the platforms down below. See you soon.